I'm having a fish soup, but before I do that, I am going to do something. Where are we? I have been checking my email because I have other appointments that I wanted to do. And it is important for me to keep check on my daily activities. So as usual, I like to read something about substance use, just to remind me all the time, what is this thing about? It's also self-help when somebody asks me about what I know about this particular product or particular thing. I have been working in the garden. It's very, very hot. Drugs and alcohol can have significant negative effects on both physical and mental health, leading to addiction and various health complications. You know, the health risk, like I said before, my husband died of liver cirrhosis. He abused alcohol so much, he forgot to take good care of himself. During his burial, they told me that they are not going to open the casket for viewing because the disease, the liver cirrhosis, kind of like lead to something else. The use of drugs and alcohol can lead to a range of health issues, including cardiovascular problems, liver and kidney damage, an increased risk of infectious diseases like HIV or AIDS or something else. For instance, mixing alcohol with other drugs can amplify the effects and increase the risk of overdose and or severe health complication. I do not condone drugs and alcohol use, but you have to remember, even even the medication that doctors prescribe to you, when you keep taking it, it become an addiction and it's not going to do you good. There are places where you can seek help, like alcohol rehab center for addiction. And you can also read about things about the drugs that you are taking. Understanding the fact that information about drugs and alcohol is crucial for recognizing their impact on health, society, and your own life. One thing, substance abuse changes brain chemistry. It can hijack the brain's reward system, flooding it with dopamine, which can lead to changes in brain function and make it harder to feel pleasure without the use of drugs. So remember that